Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the nearby share on your Xiaomi 12 Pro device. First you need to open the control panel, enable Bluetooth, enable Wi-Fi and location. Then find here nearby share, click and hold on it. Wait a while, click on this message add or verify button. Scroll down and click Xiaomi. Now you can change your device name, for example 12 Pro. Click rename. You can change your visibility mode, as I guess you use everyone mode. And you can change data usage mode, I guess you use data mode, because data mode includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data. So cool, now you can share files, share photos, share videos and receive files too. For example, I want to share this image from my Xiaomi 12 to my Xiaomi 12 Pro. How can I do it? Just click, just open gallery, click on the share button, click nearby share, wait a while, enable nearby share on your Xiaomi 12 Pro device, click turn on, and you will see 12 Pro device, Xiaomi 12 Pro device on your another device, click on it, and on your Xiaomi 12 Pro device click accept. Cool, photo was successfully sent. And that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.